Okay, so I'm gonna show you a look for today using contour as eyeshadow and as contours. I'm gonna go ahead and do Latte, which is this one. And I just put it here. I put it along my hairline here and under the little chin. Okay, contoured. So now, okay, this is a Mary Kay smudger brush. You can see the shape of it. It's real nice. And I'm gonna do the thing where I look straight ahead and find my crease that way. So you can see it's actually above where my regular crease is, but because my eyes are, they're not truly hooded, but they're kind of hooded, I go ahead and place it there. And then I'm gonna do the windshield wiper motion there. Good, so that is my crease done with contour. Yeah, looks exactly the same as if I had used Cinnabar. The eye blending brush, the all over brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and dip in, this is glazed. This is one of our highlighters. So again, 3 times the size. It's very, very similar to this one, which is Candlelight. So again, if you like Candlelight, you might consider getting glazed, because for twice the price, you get 3 times the product. So again, I'm gonna dip in there, and this will just be my all over lid color. So I'm gonna use it to soften that. All right, and then I'm gonna grab my smudger brush again, pick up some more Latte, and put it just under my eye. I don't like a harsh liner on my bottom lid, but I do like a little bit of definition there. And for me, it kind of hides any little wrinkles I have in there too. It just sort of de-accentuates them. Is that a word? Anyway, a little highlighting brush, and I'm gonna use Crystalline to add a little pop in the corners and under my brow bone. There it is. What do you think? All right, I'm gonna finish up with mascara and I'll show you the final look. Okay, here's our final look. So we used a highlighter and a contour to do eye makeup. Simple and easy, and a big money saver. See you later.